You've probably seen this in the past, and they probably refer to it as FOIL. But I'm here telling you that that is bad language. It is called the distributive property, where in this direction, we have the expansion process. In the backwards direction, we have the factorization process. Let's look at the factorization process. If I ask you to factorize this, you'll probably draw the magic X, and you'll probably put this in the top and this in the bottom. Then you got to find two numbers that multiply to this, but they add to this. These are the two numbers. Build your factors and box in your answer. If you're a good student, you'll check your answer, get your A+ and move on. So, you know how the magic X works. My question to you is, do you know why this works? This so-called magic X, why does it work? Not how, but why does it work? Why? Well, let's look at the same problem in a different way. You see, we are being optimistic. We hope that this can break down into two smaller pieces. But you have to find numbers A and B that make this true. Let's find A and B. Distributive property. Here we have a common factor of X. Pull it out to the back. Drop the left-hand side. Compare left with right. The X squared terms eliminate. Drop the pieces that are left. Compare left with right yet again. This is the coefficient of X. This is the coefficient of X. Logically speaking, those terms must equal each other. In like fashion, this and this must equal each other. You now have a system of equations. How can we solve this system of equations? The best way is using logic. Find two numbers, A and B, that when you multiply them, this is what you get. But the same two numbers, A and B, when you add them, this is what you get. And that is exactly what the magic X is doing. And it even tells you the two numbers, A and B. So the magic X works. It really does. But there's nothing magical or mystical about it. It's simply doing all of this math within a matter of seconds. So, do you want to use the magic X? Knock yourself out. But please realize why it works.